lovely divine divas. Today we are going to focus on our first theme, which I am calling happiness. This is absolutely important. It doesn't matter what it is that you actually desire. The ultimate aim of all these desires is to grow ourselves in a way that we truly start to feel happiness from within. That's what we'll be working on. So what are the various thought process I want you to have on happiness? Firstly, happiness is not something you get from outside. I know a lot of you already know that, but it's always in the small things. Some of us are waiting for that deal to happen, for us to lose 10 kgs. If only my child gets certain marks in 10th grade or 12th grade. If only he gets through that college. If I buy that house. Some of us are waiting to be happy. Let me tell you, those of you who are waiting are going to be waiting forever. Why? Because no one thing can completely make us happy. It can make us happy for one day, 1 week, 1 month. But that's all. There's a study done in Harvard that first people pray to get into Harvard, and within 2 months they don't like the food, they don't like the dorms, they don't like the teachers, and that's how life works. If you truly want to be happy from within, today what I'm going to teach you is something that I teach everybody. If you've come for any class of mine, you've had to go through the experience of learning gratitude from me. That is something I would love for you to start to do on a everyday basis. Gratitude is the route to happiness. They have now done enough scientific study to know this, that people who are in gratitude always remain happy, or most of the time remain happy, and people, no matter what they own or who they are, if they haven't understood a relationship, if they've not built a relationship with gratitude, they are not able to be happy. And I can tell you from my own personal experience, I had everything when I got married. The perfect man, the perfect house, the perfect travel, a lot of money, a lot of friends. But there was something deep down that just felt like it was missing. And I would keep complaining and keep blaming others for whatever it was that was missing in my life. You didn't take me on a holiday, you did not buy me that bag, you did not do this, something or the other. I would always find a reason to be unhappy. It's only when in 2006 that I started to do gratitude every day that my life transformed forever. This is the one thing which I have taught people, that I can tell you till today. I would have met someone 3 years ago and they will meet me and come and say me, Puja, till today I am doing gratitude. So if you don't know how to do gratitude, let me take you through a session of how to do this. Every single day, in a diary or on an app, it's your choice. I want you to just make 5 things, write down 5 things that were good the previous day. So for example, I woke up this morning, I will write, my son cooked pasta for me last night. I'm grateful for swimming yesterday. I'm grateful for enjoying watching Jawani Janeman with my husband. I'm grateful for the lovely food the cook made for lunch yesterday. I'm so grateful for the quality time we are all spending. I'm so grateful for my children and I playing poker together last evening. I'm so grateful for the lovely bottle of wine Puneet opened and the ambience he's able to create in our house for all of us to bond. I'm so grateful for, RCC Diva starting today. There's just so much to be grateful for. But when one thing also goes wrong, let's say your husband had promised you at 4 o'clock he will sit down with you and do something, and he doesn't do it, he gets lazy, or he's watching TV, or he gets busy in some phone call. Inside we start to accumulate everything that he had not kept his promise around. All of those things start to come back to us. A very small thing will become a very big thing, only because we are continuously collecting all the negatives, and then when one negative happens, the flow of that pipe opens up. I want you to be so careful around this. So let's get ready, let's get super excited, and truly I'm really looking forward to this journey with you. If there's any way I can help you, once again, feel free to communicate with me as much as you can. Every day start to do your gratitude. Today in the comments below of this video, I would love you to share 5 things that you are grateful for. 5 things that you think are fabulous in your life. Let's start with this and every day take it a notch higher. Thank you.